Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: creating your own limited liability company, LLC. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a small business owner, forming an LLC can be a smart choice to protect your personal assets and enjoy various tax benefits. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to create an LLC. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in creating an LLC is choosing a unique name for your business. It's important to pick a name that is not already in use by another business in your state. To do this, you can conduct a name search on the website of your state's Secretary of State or Department of State. Once you've found an available name, make sure it complies with your state's LLC naming requirements. These requirements may including the words Limited Liability Company or its abbreviation LLC in the name, and avoiding prohibited words or phrases. Once you've chosen a name that meets these requirements, you can move on to the next step. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. Next, you'll need to select a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or a company that is designated to receive legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC, such as tax forms, lawsuits, and other legal notices. Choosing a reliable registered agent is crucial as they will be responsible for receiving and forwarding important documents to you in a timely manner. You can choose to be your own registered agent, but keep in mind that you'll need to have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed, and be available during regular business hours. Alternatively, you can hire a professional registered agent service provider that can handle these responsibilities for you. Once you've selected a registered agent, you can proceed to the next step. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Now it's time to file the Articles of Organization with the appropriate state agency. This is a legal document that formally establishes your LLC and provides basic information about your business, such as its name, address, registered agent, and the names of the LLC's owners, known as members or managers, depending on your LLC's management structure. You can usually file the Articles of Organization online through your state's Secretary of State or Department of State website. The filing fee and requirements may vary by state, so make sure to carefully review the instructions and provide accurate information. Once you've completed the Articles of Organization and submitted them, your LLC will be officially formed, and you'll receive a certificate of organization or a similar document from the state confirming your LLC's existence. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not all states require an LLC to have an operating agreement, it's highly recommended to create one for your LLC. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines how your LLC will be governed, including its management structure, ownership percentages, and operating procedures. Your operating agreement should include important provisions such as the names and roles of the members or managers, their voting rights and responsibilities, how profits and losses will be allocated, rules for meetings and decision-making, and procedures for adding or removing members. It's essential to draft an operating agreement that is customized to your LLC's needs and in compliance with the laws of your state. Step 5. Obtain required business permits and licenses. Depending on the nature of your business and your location, you may need to obtain certain permits and licenses to operate legally. These requirements can vary widely depending on your industry, location, and other factors. It's crucial to research and identify the specific permits and licenses that apply to your LLC's operations. Obtaining the necessary permits and licenses is essential to ensure that your LLC operates in compliance with federal, state, and local laws. Failure to obtain the required permits and licenses can result in fines, penalties, and even the forced closure of your LLC. So be sure to thoroughly research and obtain all the necessary permits and licenses before starting your business operations. Step 6. Obtain business insurance. Insurance is a critical aspect of protecting your LLC and its assets. It's important to obtain appropriate business insurance coverage to safeguard against potential risks and liabilities that your LLC may face. There are various types of business insurance that you may need, depending on your industry and operations, such as general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, property insurance, workers' compensation insurance, and more. Business insurance can help protect your LLC from unexpected events, such as lawsuits, property damage, or injuries to employees or customers. It's essential to carefully review and select the right insurance coverage for your LLC's needs to mitigate risks and protect your business assets. Step 7. Comply with ongoing reporting and tax requirements. After you've successfully created your LLC, it's important to comply with ongoing reporting and tax requirements to maintain your LLC's legal status and avoid penalties or fines. These requirements may include filing annual reports or statements with the state, maintaining proper financial records and bookkeeping, filing federal, state, and local taxes, and ensuring that your LLC is in compliance with all applicable tax laws and regulations. It's highly recommended to work with a qualified tax professional to ensure that your LLC is meeting all its tax obligations and taking advantage of any tax planning opportunities. Staying compliant with ongoing reporting and tax requirements is crucial to avoid legal and financial issues down the road. Step 8. Protect your intellectual property. If your LLC has unique logos, brand names, inventions, or other intellectual property, it's essential to take steps to protect these assets. Registering your intellectual property with the appropriate authorities can provide legal protection and help prevent others from using or copying your ideas or creations without permission. There are various forms of intellectual property protection, such as trademarks, copyrights, patents, and trade secrets. Each type of protection has its own requirements and processes, so it's important to consult with a qualified intellectual property attorney to determine the best approach to protect your LLC's intellectual property. By taking steps to protect your LLC's intellectual property, you can safeguard your unique assets and prevent others from using or profiting from your ideas or creations without your consent. Step 9. Maintain proper corporate governance. Maintaining proper corporate governance is essential for the smooth and legal operation of your LLC. This involves adhering to the rules and procedures outlined in your LLC's operating agreement, conducting regular meetings, keeping accurate records, and making important decisions in compliance with your LLC's governing documents and applicable laws. Proper corporate governance helps ensure that your LLC operates transparently, mitigates conflicts of interest, and maintains the limited liability protection that an LLC provides. It's crucial to follow the corporate governance requirements set forth in your LLC's operating agreement and comply with all relevant laws and regulations. By maintaining proper corporate governance, you can protect your LLC's legal status, minimize legal risks, and demonstrate professionalism and integrity in your business operations. Step 10. Stay informed and seek professional advice. Finally, it's important to stay informed about the latest legal and regulatory changes that may affect your LLC and seek professional advice when needed. Laws and regulations related to LLCs can vary by state and change over time, so it's crucial to stay updated and comply with all applicable requirements. Consulting with qualified professionals, such as attorneys, accountants, and business advisors, can provide valuable insights and guidance on how to effectively manage and comply with the legal requirements of your LLC. They can help you navigate complex legal and financial matters, provide strategic advice, and ensure that your LLC remains in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. In summary, creating an LLC involves several important steps, including choosing a unique name, filing formation documents with the state, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, creating an operating agreement, obtaining appropriate insurance coverage, obtaining an IN from the IRS, complying with ongoing reporting and tax requirements, protecting your intellectual property, maintaining proper corporate governance, and staying informed and seeking professional advice as needed. I hope this guide has been helpful in understanding the steps to create an LLC. However, it's important to note that the specific requirements and processes may vary by state and industry. Therefore, it's crucial to research and comply with the laws and regulations applicable to your particular situation. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to consult with qualified professionals. Creating an LLC involves several critical steps, from choosing a unique name to complying with ongoing legal and financial requirements. Following these steps and seeking professional advice when needed can help ensure that your LLC is properly formed, protected, and compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. Remember to research the specific requirements in your state and industry, and consult with qualified professionals for expert guidance. Good luck with your LLC creation journey.